Today I want to show you something really simple but super powerful for your garden. We all have this one ingredient in the kitchen, brown sugar. If you've ever made a liquid fertilizer, you probably already know that sugar can be an amazing food for soil microbes. It helps them grow and thrive, which in turn makes your soil healthier and your plants happier. Even just a little sugar can make a big difference because it feeds the beneficial bacteria and fungi that live in the soil. And those little guys do a lot of the hard work for you. They help break down nutrients, protect roots, and make sure your plants get what they need to grow strong. But here's the thing. Plain sugar is good, sure, but if we turn that brown sugar into molasses, it works even better. Molasses is more concentrated, it has more minerals, and it's a slow-release food for microbes, which means it keeps them active for a longer time. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own molasses from brown sugar. So you can have it ready anytime you want to whip up a super effective liquid fertilizer for your garden. Alright, first things first. You're going to need about 500 grams of brown sugar. Grab a pan and put it on low heat. Add your sugar and start stirring slowly. Now, this part is really important. Keep stirring the sugar constantly. You don't want it to burn because once it starts to burn, it will turn bitter, and we don't want that. At first, the sugar will look grainy, but after a few minutes, you'll start to see it melt and turn smooth. Keep an eye on the color. It will gradually darken. Once it's fully dissolved and has that rich, caramel-like color, it's time to add a little water. Don't add too much at once. A small splash is enough. The mixture will bubble a bit, so be careful. Keep stirring and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. The consistency will look just like what you see in the video. Take the pan off the heat. Pour your hot molasses into a glass jar right away, because if you let it cool in the pan, it will get way too thick and sticky, almost like honey. After a few hours, it will set perfectly and be ready to use. The great thing is, this molasses can be stored for a long time and used whenever you make your liquid fertilizer. Now, let's talk about why molasses is so amazing for making liquid fertilizer. First off, it's a fantastic energy source for microbes. Soil microbes need carbohydrates to multiply and stay active, and molasses provides a complex sugar that's perfect for them. Unlike plain sugar, molasses feeds them slowly over time, which helps build a healthy and balanced microbial population. The more active these microbes are, the better your soil will be at supporting plants. Molasses also contains a ton of trace minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium, and sulfur. These minerals are super important for both plants and microbes. When microbes eat the molasses, they help break these minerals down into forms that your plants can easily absorb. So not only are you feeding the microbes, but you're also improving the nutrition your plants get straight from the soil. Another big benefit is nutrient availability. A lot of nutrients are already in the soil, but plants can't always access them. When you feed the microbes with molasses, they break down organic matter and release nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and other micronutrients in a form plants can actually use. This means healthier leaves, stronger stems, and better flowering or fruiting without relying on chemical fertilizers.